So here's the antenna from the outside. You can see the desk in there. The speaker wire comes out from the window and runs up to the tree. If I back up a little bit, you can get a better view of what's happening. So on the tree, right about there is the height of the speaker wire. From there it branches into two. You can actually see a yellow highlighter up there, which I lost earlier when I was trying to set up this wire. That one's not connected. The antenna goes to this branch. But from there, it splits into two wires. Both of them are about 33 feet long. Each of those two wires is resonant as a quarter wavelength for 7 megahertz. One of them goes in this direction. You might be able to see it on the camera, I'm not sure. It ties right there to fishing line, and then it goes over to the basketball hoop. The other one is a little more complicated. It ties to that location as well, and you might be able to see it right there in that direction. Go around here. Yeah, you can probably see it pretty well now. It runs in this direction, ties to fishing line right about there, and then goes around a branch and down to the white bucket. So that's the quick and dirty antenna I'm using. So we'll see how well it goes. Alpha Juliet 4 Victor Delta.
Alpha Juliet 4, is it?
This is Alpha Juliet 4 Victor Delta. You are 5'9" in Florida.
Is that Alpha Juliet 4 Victor Echo, Roger?
Negative, negative. Victor Delta. Victor Delta. QSL?
Okay, QSL with a QSL 4 to QSL Juliet 78.
And there's contact with the antenna. Okay, I'm going to take a minute to describe the equipment I used. I didn't expect to make that last contact so quickly, so we got lucky that was on the first try. To start, there's the wire of the antenna coming from above the roof, goes in the window, into a MAC 200 antenna tuner, and then to a SWR meter, to the radio, to FT857D. That contact was made at about 40 watts of power. I have a Morse code here. Laptop, of course. I just looked up the call. I don't think it's a special event call. I think it's a club station, but it looks like it's in Vermont. So that was interesting. Power supply, pretty standard. So nothing exceptionally special here. Just a relatively standard setup. And I hope to enjoy it over the next week.